Hello guys, looking to get your money back on Temu? Well, in this guide we'll walk you through the steps to claim credit back, whether through returns, price adjustments, or promotional events. So firstly guys, you can navigate to your order history on Temu app or website, select the order and choose return or refund. Follow the prompt to initiate a return. When asked about the refund method, select Temu credit balance. Once processed, the credit will appear in your account, typically within minutes. After that, if an item's price drops shortly after your purchase, you may be eligible for a price adjustment. Go to your order details and look for the price adjustment option. Submit a request, and if approved, the difference will be credited to your Temu balance. Participating in promotional events now. So Temu occasionally offers events like claim credit or 100% credit back. Like as you can see, for example, they have promotions right over here on this page. To participate, type keywords like claim credit or reimburse all into the Temu search bar. Follow the event instructions, which may involve daily check-ins or sharing referral links. Successful participation can earn you credits redeemable on future purchases. And that's how you claim credit on Temu in this year. Remember to check for promotions and monitor your orders for potential savings. For more shopping tips, do not forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.